During bathroom maintenance, preserving the sparkling appearance of shower glass against water stains and buildup is a common challenge. However, advancements in bathroom technology have led to the development of innovative solutions, notably shower glass coatings. Shower glass coatings, either hydrophobic or hydrophilic, are protective treatments applied to prevent water stains and buildup, making cleaning easier. Hydrophobic coatings repel water, while hydrophilic ones spread water evenly, reducing spotting and streaking for a clearer shower enclosure. We'll show you how shower glass coatings work, their benefits, and why they're essential for a pristine bathroom experience. Understanding shower glass coatings. Shower glass coatings are thin layers of protective substances applied to the surface of shower glass. These coatings are designed to repel water, oils, and dirt, preventing them from adhering to the glass surface. The primary technology behind these coatings involves nanoscale treatments that create an invisible shield over the glass. This shield significantly reduces surface tension, causing water to bead and roll off instead of spreading and drying on the glass. Benefits of shower glass coatings. Prevention of water stains and limescale. By repelling water, these coatings minimize the risk of hard water stains and limescale deposits, which are notorious for blurring the clarity of shower glass. Ease of cleaning. With less buildup and staining, shower glass becomes much easier to clean, often requiring nothing more than a quick wipe with a soft cloth or a rinse with water. Enhanced durability. Shower glass coatings protect the glass from scratches and other damages caused by abrasive cleaning agents or tools, thereby extending the lifespan of your shower enclosure. Improved aesthetics. A clear, stain-free shower door enhances the overall look of your bathroom, making it appear more inviting and well-maintained. Choosing the right shower glass coating. Choosing the right shower glass coating is a critical decision for maintaining the beauty and longevity of your shower enclosure. With the correct coating, you can significantly reduce water stains, soap scum buildup, and make cleaning a breeze. Understand the types of coatings. The type of coating applied to shower glass can significantly impact its maintenance, appearance, and longevity. There are primarily two types of coatings used to protect shower glass from water stains, soap scum, and other common issues: hydrophobic and hydrophilic coatings. Understanding the differences between these coatings will help you decide on the best protection for your shower glass. Hydrophobic coatings. Hydrophobic coatings are designed to repel water from the surface of the glass. The term hydrophobic literally means water-fearing, which aptly describes how these coatings interact with water. When applied to shower glass, hydrophobic coatings create a surface that water droplets cannot adhere to easily. Instead, water beads up and rolls off the glass, taking most dirt, soap scum, and minerals with it. This characteristic not only helps keep the glass cleaner, but also significantly reduces the effort needed for cleaning and maintenance. Advantages of hydrophobic coatings. Reduces water spots and staining by repelling water and its dissolved minerals. Easier cleaning, as soap scum and grime are less likely to stick to the glass surface. Long-lasting protection, with some high-quality coatings lasting several years before reapplication is needed. Hydrophilic coatings. In contrast, hydrophilic coatings make the glass water-loving. These coatings create a smooth surface that causes water to spread evenly across the glass, rather than beading up. This even dispersion allows the water to sheet off the glass more efficiently, leaving behind fewer droplets that can turn into water spots or soap scum residues. Hydrophilic coatings can also help reduce the visibility of streaks and make the cleaning process quicker, as there are fewer water spots to deal with. Advantages of hydrophilic coatings. Reduces streaking and spotting by promoting even water dispersion. It can make cleaning faster since water spreads and dries more uniformly. It is helpful in maintaining visibility through the glass, as fewer water spots mean clearer glass. Choosing between hydrophobic and hydrophilic coatings. The choice between hydrophobic and hydrophilic coatings often comes down to personal preference and specific needs. Hydrophobic coatings are ideal for minimizing cleaning time and effort, as they effectively repel water and the contaminants it carries. They are especially beneficial in areas with hard water, where mineral deposits can be a significant issue. Hydrophilic coatings might be the better choice for individuals who prefer a spotless and streak-free finish after every shower, as they ensure water is evenly distributed and less likely to leave marks. When selecting a coating, it's also essential to consider the product's durability, the complexity of the application process, and any environmental or health safety concerns associated with its ingredients. Ultimately, both types of coatings offer significant benefits for maintaining shower glass, and your selection should align with your maintenance preferences, water type, and desired glass appearance. Evaluate durability and longevity. Durability is a key factor in choosing a shower glass coating. Some coatings may require reapplication every few months, while others can last for years. Consider products with proven longevity and check if the coating comes with a warranty or guarantee from the manufacturer. Durable coatings may come at a higher initial cost, but will save time and effort in the long run. Consider the application process. The application process can vary significantly between different coatings. Some products are designed for easy DIY application, while others require professional installation. Professional-grade coatings might be more expensive up front, but are often more durable and come with the assurance of correct application. Evaluate whether you're comfortable applying the coating yourself or if you'd prefer to hire a professional. Look for eco-friendly and safe options. With growing environmental concerns, many homeowners prefer using eco-friendly products. Look for shower glass coatings that are non-toxic and safe for both the environment and your family. Avoid coatings that emit strong odors or contain harmful chemicals, as these can pose health risks and contribute to indoor air pollution. Read reviews and ask for recommendations. Before making a decision, read online reviews and ask for recommendations from friends, family, or professionals. Experiences from other users can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness, durability, and ease of application of different coatings. Additionally, professionals in the field can offer advice based on their experience with various products. Price considerations. While price should not be the sole factor in choosing a shower glass coating, it's important to consider your budget. High-quality coatings might come with a higher price tag, but consider this an investment in the longevity and appearance of your shower enclosure. Cheaper options might save money initially, but could require more frequent reapplications or fail to provide the same level of protection. The secret to spotless shower glass. Shower glass coatings represent a revolutionary step forward in bathroom maintenance, offering a straightforward solution to the age-old problem of water stains and buildup. By choosing the right coating and adhering to proper maintenance practices, you can enjoy a crystal-clear shower enclosure that remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Embrace this innovative technology and transform your bathroom cleaning routine from a chore into a breeze.